Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix login not available right now on WhatsApp. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and go to home screen. Step 2. Open WhatsApp. Tap the WhatsApp. You will see the message login not available right now. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Open the settings, then tap Wi-Fi or cellular data. Make sure your internet is turned on and working properly. If needed, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Step 4. Turn airplane mode on and off. Go to the settings, turn airplane mode on, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection. Step 5. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. Step 6. Update WhatsApp. Open the App Store, search for WhatsApp and tap Update if available. An outdated app can cause login issue. Step 7. Update iOS software. Go to Settings, then General, then tap on Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Step 8. Check date and time settings. Go to the settings, then general, then date and time, turn on set automatically. Step 9. Reinstall WhatsApp. If the problem continues, delete WhatsApp, restart your phone, then reinstall it from App Store. Then log in again using your phone number. That's how you fix the login not available right now error on WhatsApp, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.